This is our systems test and integration platform, what's known in the industry as an Iron Bird. This combines a number of the flight critical systems for our aircraft, including the powertrain and a number of the forward flight and vertical flight actuators. So the Iron Bird is designed in a way that allows us to spatially represent the actual configuration of the aircraft. So the spacing that you see here between the motors is one-to-one representative of the actual vehicle. We're primarily interested in capturing information related to the performance and efficiency of the components of our vehicle, including the efficiency of our turboshaft engine in converting jet fuel along with the generator into high voltage electricity, as well as the efficiency of our power consumers downstream. By finding and fixing problems early, we can move into flight tests with confidence.